Hi, this is Camilla Blossom from Earth School, and I wanted to share a little about intuitive gardening. This is the perfect time to think about how you want to create a garden that connects you with the earth, with the elementals and fairies and plant spirits, that offers a giving back to the beautiful Mother Earth. There's so much energy that can be created when we plant a garden. And with intention, it becomes even more incredible. So I want to show you what I'm planting this year, right after Earth Day 2020. And I asked the fairies what kind of garden they wanted. This is a food garden. I've kind of got gardens going on in different places. But this one has broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and I'm going to plant flowers. And I put a copper bowl in the center and some offerings of camellia flowers to bless the spirit of the garden, to ask what do they want, not just what we want as humans, but how can we co-create a garden together. I want to show you the design. When I asked them, they gave me this design to make 5 rows. They really love it when we get out of the whole linear row aspect of things. And so this design has 5 spokes where plants can be planted. I'll probably do some potatoes on the edges, but leave space in the middle to move around, a little space around the center. It'll be easy to water from the center. And then I'm going to plant flowers heading to the north and maybe some flowers around here. So it's also lovely just to allow yourself to see as you go along, like what wants to emerge from connecting and getting in the dirt and playing and picking the plants. Like the whole process can be very intuitive and very guided. And to recognize too that sometimes it comes through what I call seamless communication, where you don't really know that you're being guided by the gnomes and fairies and cabbage spirits or the flower fairies. But if you just allow yourself to listen as you go along the process of designing a garden, setting an intention, you're actually just opening yourself as a conduit to bring the spirit of nature through you. And so my experience of doing that has been to create some amazing gardens, a unicorn garden a few years ago, and before that I created a medicine wheel garden, and it was very much listening through the whole process. And I have to say that those gardens were very powerful, they were very fulfilling to create, they helped me connect and learn, and so now just to share that with you, you may be already doing something like this, or maybe not, but to invite you to engage in a deeper way with all the spirits of nature. They really need us to connect with them and work with them, and what a beautiful place then the power of a garden. So enjoy, and like I say, you can make offerings in the center.